Hi there, this is Nick at Burtness here in Whitewater, Wisconsin. Wanted to do a video of this 2017 GMC Sierra SLT here for you. It's got 57,000 miles on it. It was owned right here in Wisconsin. It's in great shape. I'm going to do a quick walk around and then I'm going to highlight some nice features here on this pickup truck. It's got a lot of great features, SLT, so it's going to have leather interior. All right, let's start with taking a look at the back seats. Nice leather interior back here. Seats fold up. Just pull up on the seats here. We do have a storage bin below, which is really nice. If you have tools or whatnot, I'll keep it from sliding around. We do have here we go, sun glare, sorry about that. A single charging port here in the back for any back seat passengers. We do have a power sliding rear window. Previous owner did put on a color matching hard tonneau cover, which is nice. It does have a spray in bed liner. Truck does have a backup camera. It is located here. We got a hitch and the pin connectors, which are at the moment hidden behind the snow. Parking sensors in the back, so when you're backing up, it'll have audible beeping as you get close to an object. A footstep here, which makes it easy to get in and out of the bed. Here's a close-up shot of the tire depth. Got lots of tread life left in them. Here's a shot of the other side of the back seat. Again, these back seats do fold up. Just pull up, and here's that storage bin here for you. Some rubber mats back here. Door here. The truck does have the Bose premium sound system, so it's going to have great audio. We got memory seats, power folding mirrors. Driver's seat is going to be power adjustable. Here we go. Trailer brake controller right here, four-wheel drive of course, and then your headlight controls. Again, 57,000 miles on it. One of my favorite features on this truck is the speed limit here, so when you're out on the road it'll tell you the speed limit. Leather wrapped steering wheel that's also heated. It's really nice on a cold day like today. Full touchscreen here. We got the backup camera. It's got the guidelines that assist you as you're backing up. We got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is under projection, and we have built-in navigation. You do also have Bluetooth for your phone for audio and hands-free calling. Dual zone climate up here, power adjusting pedals. We got some safety features, lane departure warning, parking sensors, heated and cooled seats. That's awesome. Some more charging ports, cup holders, center armrest here. We do have wireless phone charging here if your phone's compatible. And then storage inside here with more charging ports. Lots of charging ports in here. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. Stop on in at Burtness here in Whitewater and check out this awesome truck. Have a good day.